In this video, I will show you how to fix a Roblox memory dump error on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, a few days ago, I did put out a video with some fixes that you can try to resolve this really annoying memory dump error that's coming up at the moment on Roblox. After doing some further research, I found a method which is really effective for Windows 11. So if you are on a Windows 11 laptop or PC, then follow along with me step by step and this should resolve the problem. So to start with, what you're going to want to do, as you can see we're here on my desktop, you want to come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, and in here you want to go ahead and type Windows Security. Then underneath this match you should see Windows Security come up. Give that a click to open up your security settings. On here what you need to do is look for device security just here, give that a click, and then on the next screen you want to click onto core isolation. So you're going to see a link here which says core isolation details. Give that a click. What that's going to do is open up a window like this. Now I just want to note before we do continue that by doing this it does make your computer more vulnerable, so I would only recommend doing this temporarily until Roblox do release a patch or an update which fixes this bug which seems to be causing this memory dump error. However, this is what I've personally tried and it's solved my problem with the memory dump error. By following this method I've been able to play Roblox no problem. I was experiencing the error myself, but since doing this I've no longer had the error message come up. So all you need to do in here, you're going to see an option for memory integrity, and what you want to do is go ahead and switch this off. At this point you're probably going to get a permission window come up. Just agree to that, click yes, and make sure you do restart your device as well to apply your changes. So as you can see, once I've done that, what I'm going to do is just jump into Roblox. So I'm just going to double click to load up the Roblox player. And what we're going to do is just jump into an experience. Let's go ahead and jump into Please Donate. And as you can see, the game is loading absolutely fine. We're joining the server. You can see I'm now in Roblox. I've not had that error come up. I've tried this multiple times and I've been able to get in every time without that error coming up. Before it was coming up until I turned that setting off, and now it just seems to be working absolutely fine. So that's how to fix the Roblox memory dump error on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.